Hello everyone and welcome to another Packard Bell Desktop PC video. Today's video will be quick and simple. I'll be unboxing a mouse and speaker system that I recently bought, and I'll be trying them both out with this PC. The mouse and speakers are both Packard Bell branded, and I think they'll fit better than what I have plugged in right now. I came across the Packard Bell mouse on eBay when I was browsing for Packard Bell related stuff. It was listed at a price of just £9 in used condition and was identical to the original mouse that this old PC used to have. So I placed an order. And funnily enough, the same day the mouse was delivered, I happened to see this Packard Bell speaker system for just £10 at Regenerate, a second-hand tech shop. And unlike the mouse, it has the original box included. It does have an older Packard Bell logo, but I wasn't bothered. Let's start unboxing the mouse. The current mouse is just this Logitech USB, I think it's, the B100, which is just a standard optical mouse, whatever. Time to open this package and see what we get. Right. So I haven't seen this for a good 10 years maybe, if not longer. Oh my god. Oh. There it is. It's in great condition, to be fair. Wow. Yeah, it's actually a Logitech PS2 mouse. Interesting. Oh, it's got a matching keyboard and mouse again after over 10 years. Nice. And yeah, the mouse plugs into the PS2 port on the keyboard, and then the keyboard plugs into the computer using a keyboard and mouse PS2 inputs. I'm just going to get off this elastic band. I'm quite happy with how this is packaged and everything. Oh yeah, and the ball as well, of course, is in there. It seems to be rolling around. Hang on. Feels like it's moving around okay, but I'll have to wait and see. Right. So now, oh, it's not very long. That shouldn't matter. There we go. So that's the mouse plugged in. Now, that's so weird, I'm not used to this. Oh, it actually feels quite nice, to be fair. The clicks are nice, the scroll wheel's good. Clearly this just wasn't used that much, and the seller obviously took care of it, so now let's just turn the computer on and see if the mouse works fine. Log in. It's moving around alright. Unfortunately, this camcorder doesn't have the greatest quality, so I'm going to have to decrease the resolution, I think, because it's currently at 1280 by 1024, so if I just do that... There we go. Yeah, it feels fine to use, really. Yeah, the ball is good and everything. The buttons genuinely feel quite nice. If I go into somewhere where I can scroll, like... I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's the mouse installed. That's that. Now it's time for the speakers, I think. I'll turn the computer off. I'll leave the resolution as it is, because I think this will be better for the video. Nice to have the matching keyboard and mouse again, that's so cool. It's now time to unbox the Packard Bell flat panel speaker system. Oh my god. Yeah, I haven't opened this yet, so yeah, this actually just came right off, so there we go. Come on, please. Yes. Oh, bits of polystyrene going everywhere. These, they're actually made of metal. I thought they were going to be plastic. Fair play. Wires exist. These are the speakers. Oh wow. These actually feel okay, but I don't know how they're going to sound. Like, they might sound like complete crap. Is this like a subwoofer of some kind? I don't know. Power consumption 20 watts. I guess I could film the process of removing the speakers. Oh, That was like the quickest I've ever managed to unplug these from anything because the wires just get tangled. I'm gonna have to move these again, put them on top of the desktop. Okay, I'm gonna have to untangle all this. Yeah, it's even got a plug, obviously, for this unit. Alright, well I think it's all untangled finally. So yeah, these speakers are actually really thin, and again, these are proper metal. I just hope they both work. I think the idea is, yeah, the subwoofer, well, has like this line in, and then the speakers, they go into this. Then that plugs into the computer, while also plugging into the wall at the same time. It's also bloody, like, remote as well, or something, but it's not actually a remote because it's connected via a cable that's permanently connected, so yeah, that's interesting. I'm just going to plug them in, I guess, see what happens. I'll move this handy cam out of the way, and that's battery. Speakers. There's plenty of space for these, to be fair. They're a little bit dusty, but yeah, they're very clean as well, to be fair. These are in great condition. They clearly, maybe they were used for a little while and then not touched for like 20 years. I don't actually know which one is the left one and which one's the right. That's weird. Why would they not decipher that? It's also, again, it is the wrong Packard Bell logo, but I don't care. It's a very close, like, year of release, I think. This is for the speakers, this is for the subwoofer. Just connect those together. Oh god, is it going to do like a really loud noise when I plug it in? It's humming. Yeah, and the remote is on, so... Oh wow. Right, now, I think literally the final bit now is just to get the speakers plugged in. Whoa, that made me jump. Bloody hell. It's even that much of a noise. Right, let's put this back. I imagine it's going to do a big loud pop when I turn on the PC, but okay. Got this ready just in case I need to turn the volume way down. Right, let's see. Yeah, I knew it was going to be loud, bloody hell. Well, the speakers seem to be working. That's good. I'll plug in my MP3 player and play some music into these bloody USB ports. There is ToCA, as shown on that DACPod video. ToCA! Should just work straight out of the box. Yes, disk drive, cool. It is indeed a USB mass storage device. I might as well... Ah yes, it's installed, good. Let's play some music then. Let's play some beats. It's ToCA. Right, I could play the Vine Boom, but I'm not going to. I'll just go into ToCA 1 and then play this. Oh yeah, I need to activate Windows, I forgot about that. Well, yeah, you have to actually adjust the volume using this. Jeez, that's loud, bloody hell. They sound a bit tinny, however there is a bass meter. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. That's maximum bass. I'll turn that down because people are going to hear that downstairs and probably even outside. Maybe that's an over-exaggeration, but I think the bass must be on minimum before I'll just turn it up again. Oh, that sounds grim. I think that's the speakers on their own, and then if you turn the bass up. Honestly, with the bass, they sound okay, I think. But then with the bass all the way up, it's a bit too much. I think they're okay, honestly. They're fine. I'm not much of an audiophile, so I can't really compare. I'm mostly just in my head comparing with the original speakers, which sounded fine as they were. But that was in my mind, like, they probably sound like shit to most other people, but... can't even close media player apparently. But I think that's the end of that. It's still making that noise though. You can hear that, can't you? Like, you can hear the computer fan, but you can also hear the kind of buzz, I guess. I'm moving cables and it's not making any difference, so I think that's genuinely just how it sounds. If I turn it off, and obviously, well, we're not going to hear any sound, are we? If we're just going to control how it sounds. No, and then if I turn it on. Wait. Oh, do I dare? Wait, let's just hear it with minimum bass. I think this is minimum. Just sounds like if I put on. Whoa. That's max volume apparently. Okay. Oh, that sounds like laptop speakers. But then, if I ramp the bass up and turn down the volume a bit, just a bit. Oh my god. Holy crap, man. That's so deep. I'm not doing that again in case it blows the speakers. Right, this is about medium, I think. Yeah, that's plenty. Alright, cool. That's the end of that. I'm just going to turn it off. Yeah. Bloody hell. Overall, I'm pleased with how well the speakers match the current setup, and I think they sound alright. It's also great to have the original mouse back after many years, which matches perfectly with the keyboard. Despite the speakers and mouse being over 2 decades old, they're in decent condition considering the age and price. Of course, I'm still yet to find a matching faceplate for this PC, as well as the original monitor, which was known as the Packard Bell A727. Maybe one day I'll find them both for decent prices. In a future video, I'm hoping to upgrade the RAM in this PC. I've seen a listing on eBay for 512MB of DDR RAM from the seller Offtech. The listing directly references the model number of this exact PC, so I've ordered 2 RAM modules totaling 1GB, which is the maximum supported by the motherboard in this PC. Hopefully it would have arrived by the time you see this video. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in seeing more content involving this Packard Bell PC, check out the playlist shown on screen.